What's up, guys? NateVlog here. Good morning. Check this out. It's noodle time. We're back to making those again. Ah, geez. Here we go. Ah. So anyways, we got ourselves the Trader Joe's chicken flavored instant ramen noodles. How about that, huh? Breakfast. I'm hungry. Are you? All right. Let's figure out how do we make this. So, okay, two options. We can just boil some water, pour it in there, good to go. Or we could put it in the microwave. Let's just do the boiling hot water, right? That's easier. All right. Anyways, to the kitchen. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. Turn that on. Just waiting now. Waiting. And it's done. Nice. All right. So let's open this up. See what's inside. Oh, the noodles right here. Looks kind of small, to be honest. This is it. Damn. Alright. Guess that's it. It's just the MSG. Liquids. Alright. Alright, so here's the chicken flavor. Pour this in there. Got that. Done. Now the oil. Okay, get that all in there. Now we take our hot boiling water. Be very careful. Pour this up to the line. Can you see the line right there? Yeah, right there. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Put this back on there. Wait 6 minutes for it to cook. 6 minutes. And then we are done. Make sure that's really close right there. Now we just waiting. Alright, well that should be good. Let's go ahead and take this off. Careful. It's still hot. Oh yeah, it's very hot. Alright, anyways, check this out. So I got this for Christmas. Might as well use it, right? Let's go ahead and switch it off. Yeah. Woo! Now we're eating noodles properly. Check that out. But does it look like this? Hold on. A little bit, actually. Just not the what is this? The greens? Yeah. Doesn't have that on there. Alright. There we go. Noodle time. Alright, here we are. So, yeah. Ooh, it's still hot. Gonna go ahead and review this now. It's so hot. Okay. Cheers. Trader Joe's. Oh, it's hot. Damn, it's hot. Okay. Wow, so those noodles are actually really thick. Kind of tastes homemade, to be honest. Oh. Yeah, got our little spoon here. Let's try the broth. Ooh, that has a good flavor. Yeah, not bad. I don't know if the noodles are cooked all the way. Yeah, I'm gonna just mix a little bit more. Try it again. Oh, damn, it's hot. But yeah, noodles are getting a little bit softer. The broth actually isn't too overwhelming, so if you have like stomach aches, stomach problems, and you need something really light and not too much, right? This is good to go. This is really good to go if you got digestion problems and you need something good. But hey, with me, we need some spice. Yeah. So, oh, come on, damn it! Is this thing open? Oh god. Oh, look at that, really? Alright, just add some of that, mix it, taste. There we go. That really brings out the flavor. Yeah, I mean, it was just really light, right? Not too much going on. In fact, I think it's more seasoning. not anymore. Oh, it's good to go. I think I put a little too much into it. Isn't that cute? Look at that little set right there. There he is, a little kitty. Ooh. I think it was like $1 at Trader Joe's. Yeah. Well, it is kind of boring, so you're gonna just have to season it up more. And it's not a lot of noodles at all. I mean, you saw when I pulled it out. I'm just like, wait, this is it? This is all they give you, really? I don't think it's worth it. But if you're gonna add more to it, like spice it up yourself, I'd say go. Yeah, there you go. So that's the baseline, and add whatever you want to it, which I had to with the sriracha, of course. So let's finish it off with the broth. Yeah, it tastes a lot better. Whew. I can't believe all the noodles are gone. Unbelievable. Ugh. Calories 180. Sodium 800 milligrams, which is less than all the other ones I've eaten. Yeah. But not good with my high cholesterol. Jeez. Chest problems. Protein 8 grams. Wow. Vitamin D, iron, calcium, potassium. Okay. So it is a little bit healthier than all the rest of them I've had, for sure. So that's probably why there's not much flavor in there, right? Yeah. I guess flavor means worse for you. Okay, let's just finish up the little bit left. My nice bowl. Ceramic. Oh, no drink. Still, after all this time, no drink. Oh my god. Wow. So, oh gosh. Whew. Spicy. Anyways, so my rating for this is actually, I mean, it doesn't taste bad. It's just there's not a lot going for it. So that's the problem. 4.5 out of 10, even if that, right? I mean, what happened to the noodles? Where'd they go? Alright, anyways, so there you have it. Noodle videos are back. Yeah, gotta set my mind to noodle reviews, okay? I'm not there yet. I'm still like, wait, what do I do again? No, we gotta get back to that. So anyways, hope you guys dig it, and yeah, if you're checking out Trader Joe's, and if you want to do something with this, I highly recommend it, and make your own creation, but on its own, yeah. No, okay, lame. All right. So, alright, we'll see you. Make sure to go hit up my PayPal, my Venmo, description down below if you want to support NateVlog and the legendary adventures here back in the South Bay. Alright. Oh god, spiciness. Spicy. We'll see you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Alright. Trader Joe's. There's more too. Should I go back and try the rest? Oh gosh, I don't know. Bye.